Welcome back. I'm Punyapal Shah, your host, and today we have Bhushan, Raksha Bhushan with us, and we're gonna talk about how you can manage your queries. I mean, remove duplication from your queries into Laravel. And let's have some introduction from Bhushan.
Hey guys, I'm Bhushan Gaikwad. I'm senior software engineer at Tappable. I've been working with Laravel from very long time, and thank you Punapal again to invite me in another stream. Thank you.
Yeah. So we're gonna discuss about a bit repository pattern, then scopes, then tappable scopes, builders, and query classes. So let's see
Mm.
everything one by one, right? Let me share my screen.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Basically, we
So
will be touching all the aspect of queries in Laravel.
yeah, and if you guys have anything, you can share in comments, and we can also have look into that as well, right? So
Mm-hmm.
we may need to Google something or something like that as well. Right now, I have a fresh project which has some my testing code. That's it.
Mm-hmm.
Nothing else at all. We can remove this as well. Sorry
Mm-hmm.
for some. Yeah, yeah. This is also there, which is not needed at all. I was tasting some bit of things. Okay, now it is properly a fresh project where we don't have anything at all, right? So it's a
Mm-hmm.
fresh project. I think let's just check migrations as well. Yeah. So we don't have anything at all, and we need to firstly start with the repository pattern, right?
Mm-hmm.
And Bhushan will guide me a bit for
Uh,
repository pattern, right? So let's go with firstly creating a, let's say, model, or let's say make model, uh,
mm-hmm.
maybe post, because it's
Okay.
a quite common and migration and factory if needed. I don't know if factory is needed.
Mm-hmm.
Do you think?
It
What do you
won't
think?
be needed. It won't be needed because we will. Uh, okay,
We may
we will
try
just show
to
the
run the
code, right?
test
We
on.
will not. We will not run any, or we will not show some dummy post or something, right?
Let's create it for a by chance thing, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Whatever.
Cool.
Mm,
Mm-hmm.
yeah. So now we have a post model and post migration, right? Let me
Mm-hmm.
do pa my. Oh, we need to update the migration firstly, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what kind of fields you want? Yeah, title can be there, content can be there.
I think
Any typical thing you want other than these two?
these two are enough. We can have slug and all as well, but it's enough. Title and content is enough.
Yeah, but maybe like you want to do some filters and all on something like maybe like category or type or something like that. Maybe like a user who create it like for an ID
Mm-hmm.
for the user model, right? And I don't think we need constraint at all for now. This
Mm-hmm.
is fine, right?
Yeah, this is fine. This is fine.
If we need anything more, we can add maybe.
We just need to show that how the repository and everything is working, right? So I think it's
Of
okay
course,
to.
but like if you want to show some like filtering or something like that, then we will need a more things, right? You know what I mean?
That case, then we need some category or
Like
some other tables as
uh,
well.
we can go with like string
Uh-huh.
status is also good thing, right?
That's good. Huh? This is good.
The draft, then maybe we can go with published date,
Mm-hmm.
right? And lastly, for category, we can like. Do you think we need a category table, or let's say just go with string type?
This is also fine. For
Yeah.
simplicity, this is also fine.
Oh, okay, nice. So that's good. Now we can. We also have this post model,
Mm-hmm.
and maybe we can say pa make enum uh, post type,
Mm-hmm.
right? And other will be post. What we had? Status. Oh, wrong place. Is it sound good to you to create some enums?
Yeah, we need to then map it actually in the migration
Ah,
as well.
oh, I don't like this. Oh, it's nice actually. It
It's nice, right?
first,
This is
yeah,
good. This is good. Mm.
yeah. This is
Status,
also good.
post
Why
type, and
error? Oh
names.
yeah,
String.
string.
Okay.
And what other thing I will love to do is I thought it will by default add those into enums directory. I didn't
Mm.
know that. It just put them. Uh, think let me try one thing. I haven't tried it yet. Let
Mm-hmm.
me put it into the. I don't know. I just want to know that my extension works. Oh yeah, actually I disabled that action, so let me just do it manually. So I had one extension,
Mm-hmm.
so like called this Tempest,
Mm-hmm.
which auto renames namespace when
Namespace.
I
Okay.
just drag and drop that. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
but this also add like some kind of thing when we create classes. So
Okay.
basically that is not good for AI, so I had to disable this. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So now we also have enum, and we can just go here and we can say not capital P. Oh, I'm doing really protected
Class.
function cast. Perfect.
Mm.
And we can say type to perfect, post type and status to. Let's just don't import it for now. Maybe it's fine. Like I mean,
It is.
this is not. We are not looking for the code quality for now. Maybe, or let's just import it. Yeah. Okay. Oh,
Okay.
by the way, just forgot. I could do this. I just
Mm.
forgot.
Mm. Okay.
People will see like people. You can also do this in VS Code. You don't need
Mm.
PHP Storm for everything. Okay. Now, what we can do now more? Like just create like uh, PA make
Class.
class,
Mm. Maybe we can
then
put it inside the repositories folder, app repositories.
repositories.
I think the
Spelling is
spelling
correct, right?
spelling is not correct. Pos-
Repositories. Oh yeah.
Repositories. Yeah. Okay. This looks good. And then you can say post repository. Post repository.
Repository, right?
Yeah.
Uh, I hope it will create. Yeah,
Yeah.
and
It.
we also.
Okay.
So now, yeah.
Okay, so now usually what happens is
Mm-hmm.
inside the repositories we will have one contract folder. Inside that we will have a repository interface. Okay, mostly it will be used as a abstract class so that we can have some helper method as well. So we can have abstract class there called repository, and that class is extended here in the post repository.
So you want me to create a new class here?
Create a folder called contracts and then contracts contracts, and then inside that we create another PHP class called repository dot php.
Is it fine?
Yeah, that is fine, and then we can correct the namespace. Contracts, let's call it only repository, and we can keep it as abstract class or just a class as well, but I will show you like we can just go and upgrade it slowly, that is also fine. So first,
Yeah.
if we keep it interface, then what happens
Mm.
is there are few common methods which we need to implement all the time. We can just
Yes.
add the abstract methods.
Mm.
But if we have abstract class, then we can have implemented method as well, which can be used as an abstract or helper method.
Helpers.
So
Yeah.
we will abstract is better in this way. Now let's go to the post repository. Let's extend this abstract class. Extend this abstract class.
Yeah.
That's it. And now inside that, now let's say
Hmm.
where we should use repository, or where we used to use repository pattern.
Let's
So
create controller.
we can create a controller, but where we used to use, right? We need to understand the
Oh.
use case.
Oh
We
yeah,
need
yeah.
to understand the use case first, right? So
Hmm.
let's say when we had in old days, or maybe few years back, what we used to have is people used to use the repository pattern so that they can have one more abstract layer where they have more control, because Laravel is using the Eloquent ORM, and that is not under their control, right? So they, if they want to have some extra logic on top of it, then they used to create a repository, and then inside that repository they will have some additional information. Like for example, let's create a find method.
Yeah. Let's create a find method.
Let's
So let me just rename it to find.
find, and then it will accept a ID that we can maybe I personally use UUID, so we can call it
Oh.
string or integer. It's up to you. Okay.
So this is just for, I mean, you know what I mean.
Hmm.
Or let's
I
just
mean
say ID.
ID
Yeah.
only, but just why I said in string, because I use UUID, right? So it will be string.
Oh
But when
yeah.
you have incremental number, it will be integer. So that is that. And then inside that, we can use the query builder. Let's say you can just return post colon colon query, and then you can call find method, and you can pass the ID.
Oh, AI is suggesting this model.
This model. So dollar
You
this
do
also.
some kind of thing.
Yeah. So in the constructor, we can just accept the model as well. That is also a possibility. We can do it in
Yeah,
abstract,
but
but for now, let's
let's not.
keep it.
l- Yeah,
Huh.
let's just keep it. I mean,
Let's keep
okay.
that like this, right?
Uh,
Now,
yeah.
now,
Uh,
this is in controllers, in services, in all the places we use this repository. Now later, tomorrow, if you want to have some different logic while finding the post, we can just use that there itself
so
inside the
maybe let's say
mm-hmm. Post repository.
literally
Posts.
why it is suggesting such names.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, post repository. Then we can just do like right, kind of.
Yeah,
You mean?
but in database we don't
Yeah,
have. You can even just DD, right? We don't need to go to view and manage the view.
yeah, like PA Tinker
Hmm.
post.
In the factory, we need to update the factory with the status and all these columns.
Yeah, that is correct.
Hmm.
Factory.
Oh,
Fine.
I like this. This is good. This is good.
Let's just save time, right? You know.
Yeah, it's time saved.
PA Tinker, then post factory.
It's create, right?
Okay, not like that.
Hmm.
Factory. AI just made us forget things.
Ah,
And now
we
create.
create. Hmm.
Post not found.
That
Literally.
namespace we need
But
to.
they should ideally guess it, right? You know.
Yeah.
Ah.
Mm,
Okay. I have an idea.
hmm.
Oh, I should have used taste command. So we can put whatever we need here, and we can just run pa test. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
So there is no, I mean, need to use post factory count 5 create,
Mm-hmm.
right? And now we can use, oh, we need to use, can we inject here? Or maybe, I don't know. We
What do you
cannot
want to?
inject here. I think we need a constructor, I guess. Do you think that?
In handle as well, I think we can inject, no?
I really don't know. I never tried, or maybe I never
It,
needed that.
it will auto resolve. Be it
Let's see.
let's say.
And
Dollar post
that
factory.
is also fine. The post factory
Find.
can find. I really don't know if it will be one or not, but I can
Uh,
do one thing.
can you check what is the primary ID, that column?
Means
Is it UUID, string, integer, what it is?
it's integer.
Okay. No, no, in the migration.
It's integer for sure. But yeah, I cannot. I could have done this better.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, now it is fine. I think let's just keep it
Integer.
int. So
Integer. Okay.
yeah. So where we were? Yeah, yeah.
Hmm.
Uh, okay. PA. Should we do DD?
Uh,
Okay, I just run tests
hmm.
and also realized that I could.
Column test. Hmm. Okay. PAT.
Huh. Now we got some error. Blog is not valid backing value for enum
Post
type
factory.
post. Yeah,
Hmm.
so let's just fix the factory first.
Okay. Hmm.
And which I can do something like this. And let me just do post type, not cases, just class. And yeah, I don't know the things which I know actually.
Hmm. For now,
Status.
it is learning from us.
Okay, now PAT, and again we have error. Now what it says, published at
I will still repo pattern. Mostly.
user ID. So we need to do something like for sorry, why should we do that? We can just do thing here, which is
Mm-hmm.
user ID, user factor. That's it. Now it will create it for us. Yeah, and now let's just don't do anything at all.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, Let me do one thing. Yeah. So now we can have clear EAT. So it is
Okay.
now DD the data which we have, right?
Mm-hmm.
But this is a simple case of find, right? So
Yeah.
what if we need to like get data or something like that, or maybe?
Now I'll explain the example.
Hmm.
But before that, we have some comments. Maybe we can answer those. So Devjit is
Yeah.
asking, still using repo pattern? No, we are not using it. Uh, I am personally not using it from many
Yeah.
years, but it
I'm
is,
not using it. Yeah.
yeah, it is a point of discussion where we will slowly go to the latest stuff. So that is why we started with the older stuff, and then we will go there. And for hey, can you
Hey, can
discuss?
you discuss the pattern about payment gateways integration, like Razor Pay, triple, whatever, multiple one in a one project? So, Rihan, we may have some stream in future about that, right? Today that is not in the plan. So, okay.
Uh, I think I'll just give you some hint. Like we can just you can just check for single responsibility pattern, and you will learn how we can use the different classes and inject it on the fly to change
Right.
the daemon gateway. So just high level, but today we are focusing on queries.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, now imagine this is the post repository. Now imagine you have a application like Medium, okay, where there are a lot of different tenants, okay. Now you want to find out based on some configuration or domain or some header or some value, you have a way to identify the tenant, okay. Now
Correct.
you figure out the tenant, and then for that tenant you need to find that post, right? So now that logic can go inside the find. Like for example, where you have the
Oh,
post, right? Now you have the post, right? And post then colon query. Can you do that? Post colon query, query, and then where, just add where clause. Where, let's say we have tenant id, where tenant id tenant
maybe
id.
let's go for type or something like that. Because we have it into the database. Status or something like where status is published or something like
Published.
that.
This is also fine. This is also fine. But I'm just giving you some real world example. This is
Yeah,
for testing. We can go with that. It's fine.
like post status publish, and maybe like post type or something like that.
Hmm.
Oh, sorry. Where
If
we can
you
even do this, right?
hmm. In that case, then find word, the method name is not correct. We need to change that method name to where published post or find published, something like that. So because find doesn't make sense in that case. Published articles. This is good. Published articles.
Articles or article.
Article. Okay, it will give only one, right?
Yeah. So
Uh,
maybe let's go ahead. Let's see.
then that get method should not accept. So you need to add the where ID is equal to ID, and then get will have that instead of get
Maybe
you first.
IDs.
Then in that case you need to accept as an array, and then wherein we have to use
Yeah.
where ID.
Yeah. Gotcha. So maybe like array. So find accept both.
Hmm.
I
Okay,
think
this is
so.
better. This is better than
Yeah, it's
if you.
mixed. So if it is array, then find many. Otherwise, wacky first.
Okay.
Whoa.
Okay. Nice. Okay. Nice.
Hmm.
Now using this method, we can just simply use this repository, and we don't need to duplicate this logic where we need to find
Correct.
the published articles all the time. So this is the general idea of using repository pattern. And there was
Yeah,
also
and of course.
there
Sorry,
was also
you
one
were
thing.
saying. Hmm.
Let's say you want to switch a database or some database driver or something. It was very helpful because then you need to just go to the repositories, fix the
Yeah.
code there, and all the services, controllers, everywhere the code is all still same, and it's working as it is. It should be. So that was the idea behind the repository. But these days, no one is using it, and it is valid because Eloquent itself is very powerful. It has all the abstracted methods, everything, and it has support for multiple drivers out of the box. There are a lot of things, so people don't use it these days. This is how it is.
Yeah. Of course.
Mm-hmm.
Let's say we also have some more example, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what could be find post byte IDs? That's it. Um, I think I thought AI will do help here, but not doing that. Maybe. Do you have any idea in your mind,
Do you
like
want to
for
focus on this much of this repository pattern?
so like I what we gonna do is we gonna convert this stuff into the
Ooh,
scopes.
okay, okay, got it.
Hmm.
Okay, so you want one more
Find
example. We can go to the status, post status, and that enums, and we can create. Now we have published articles, right? We can have a draft articles, this kind of stuff, right? Two, three. Can you go to post status? I just need to see the values. Okay, draft, archived. Okay, there is archived as well, so we can use archived as well.
you also have post types.
Hmm. We can have
Let's
archived
see.
articles, draft articles.
I don't know what you gotta do with this currently, literally. Okay. Uh, do they hear this? I don't know. Okay, so maybe we have some more examples for a sake. So this is one
Uh-huh.
way, like to manage your, like, not duplicating your queries or something like that, right?
Mm-hmm. That was the old way of doing this
Yeah,
stuff.
and still I can see a lot of duplication though.
Yeah, exactly. There are ways why we had this abstract classes, where you can pass the model itself into the constructor, and then you can have some, like for example, find is very generic method, right? If you scroll down, so that can be part of the abstract class. Some other methods which are very agnostic to the models, those can go into
Right.
the abstract class. So that way we don't duplicate in all the repositories.
Maybe. Yeah. And maybe we can have like protected
Dollar model.
color model
Hmm.
first class directly. That's it.
No, no. I will show you how. Go to contract repository. I will show you. Contracts repository.
Let's go there. Then
Uh,
yeah.
okay. Here, create a constructor.
Oh, constructor in abstract class.
Abstract class.
Isn't
Yeah.
it risky?
No, no.
No, no, no.
It's
It isn't. Yeah. Hmm.
just create a
Then
constructor.
I have to create it construct again. Mhm. Yeah. Then
And then
so
the constructor, we accept a string as a dollar model. We can call it. We can make it protected model, and we can keep it protected. Protected.
like
Okay.
this.
And then go to the post repository,
Okay.
and then post repository.
Yeah. I can maybe go like this. Yeah.
Okay. Now here, instead of post, you can just use line number 18. You can just use dollar this model, and then colon colon query. Dollar this model colon colon query. Like this. So you.
And
Hmm. So
there is one problem right now, right?
it
Because
it won't
we
it won't be a problem whenever you create a repository. Now the problem is, in the, can you go to route file? No, no.
I think
We
we
need
can
to.
just like huh
No, no,
route file.
we can't bind it like this. Go to route file. Here we have this dependency injection, right? We can't do that. We have to new it up, and then we
Yes,
need
so
to.
that's why I was in app service provider to like provide a callable over here. I mean, you know what I mean.
uh, but you have to do for all the repositories.
Yeah, that is
Okay,
also a thing.
okay, we can do that. It's fine.
For now, at least, maybe.
You don't need to create a new instance of post. You can just pass an namespace. That's it, and then remove that class. Okay, this is enough. So you pass that into post repository,
Okay.
and then it will automatically resolve, and it should work. Yeah. Let's go to routes file and then fix that method name. Method name is wrong.
Where? We are
in
not
routes
using that actually. We are in this.
test. Oh, okay,
Yeah.
okay. So instead of find, just change the method name. That's what I was saying.
Find is still working though, somehow.
There is nothing extra, right, in find. We need to find a published article. So,
Ah, yeah. Gotcha.
trying to reconnect. My internet is not stable. It says.
That's
I'll
fine. That's
maybe connect wire.
Now it's
Uh,
breaking actually.
Give me 1 second. I'll just connect via mobile or.
Oh, yeah, I got it. I got the problem. So it also can be not array. Let me collection and collection of collection of what? Eloquent. Yeah. Now it will gonna work. Yeah, it's working, but it's not giving anything at all because maybe there will not be any published. Um,
Article. Yeah, can we open the database in tables or something? That SQLite file, and then just mark one as a published.
I don't know. Let's just do for all, and we will get one at least. We have five in a database, so there is a
Okay.
probability that one will be the
Okay.
published
So
article. Yeah, it's published now, and
okay,
it is also
we found
article.
one. So,
Hmm. So
mm,
that's
okay.
working. Now let's move ahead.
So this is how. That's working.
Okay. So this is what
Yeah.
repository pattern is. Correct.
Yeah. True. Mm-hmm.
Now let's move to scopes. So for
Okay.
that,
Let's try to abstract that repository. So,
we are in the post model, but and let's try to create a scopes now. So what can be the first? Why I'm doing capital protected function scope. Okay, this is saying like scope type, so we can just like do uh maybe we can do list article simply, and we can where type is equal to no, we don't need this type stuff. Okay, because for this we will have post type article and published, right?
Okay. Right.
Correct. And okay, he's gone. I think I need to call him back or something like that, or I hope he is aware that he's gone. Hello. Yeah, but you left. Okay. So this is the published article, or you can also do this way, I guess. We'll also have one more thing. Let's go to the post, maybe draft post. Yeah. So we can have protect. Why I do capital P? Protected function and like just draft post. And what we can do here is we can just say scope. Yeah. And now it will also work like same as this. So we can have either this or this. Both are same. And of course, we if you want, we can just to build. Okay, Pusan is back. Welcome back. Yeah. So of course
Uh-huh.
we can also do. sometimes we do database query, database eloquent, and now what I realize it, we should do this, maybe this one,
Contracts.
the contract one, right?
Mm-hmm.
So it could be anything, and it will
Mm.
also have auto completion.
Okay.
Right? And I think in after Laravel 9, you don't need to return anything. You can just do void and it will gonna work.
Oh,
Do you know about
okay.
that?
Uh, it works without this as well. I'm
Yeah,
getting
with and
that.
without both. I mean,
Okay.
so this is the older way. This is a new way, which is I think released in Laravel 12 only, I guess. So you can just define scope attribute
Mm-hmm.
on draft post method, and you don't need the scope
Hope
prefix.
fix. Okay. Okay.
So now we have this, and what we need more, maybe
Just for
archived.
just for fun, do you know why it works? Like I'm just thinking out of the box now because I don't know
Which?
if it
What?
works or not. With this return keyword is not needed or not. I don't know, but let's assume that it works with this.
Yeah,
What would be the reason?
maybe mutability.
No, the builder that builder query is actually passed by reference in this
Yeah.
function. Yeah. So whatever we apply on the where clause and everything, that state gets stored in that builder class, and that same builder class is used in other place.
Have you seen
That
that?
no, I'm just guessing because if it
Oh,
is
you're just
working,
guessing.
it has to be
Hmm.
that.
Of course, that is also way other is mutability, I guess. Maybe. I don't know. Nah, that is not the case, I guess.
But
Yeah.
mutability is completely different. Yeah.
Yeah, of course, of course.
Okay. What is
Uh,
this?
so this is, I think we have only this thing, right? And for find thing, Laravel have that by default, right?
By default. Yes.
And other thing is we were talking about, like, if I need to stop saying like though, but yeah. Uh, so we were talking about switching databases, right?
Mm-hmm.
And that is I think easy because you can just define that into your configuration simply,
That's it. Yeah. Yeah. Just
because
change the
we
EN,
have, yeah, just env or maybe uh,
the database config.
yeah, here we have like default SQLite for now.
Mm.
We have this much thing supported, and there is some first party packages for other database as well, like
Yes.
MongoDB. So
Correct.
MongoDB have its own database driver, and you can just install that package, and maybe you can extend their model instead of ours. It is just a bit of abstraction, I guess,
Mm-hmm.
between this model and that. And
Okay.
you will have MongoDB thing by default with this all thing, right? So
Mm-hmm.
this is now easy. I mean, uh,
Yeah.
then maybe repository even, because you don't need to change anything at all. In
Yeah.
repository case, you need to change code of repository at least, you know.
Yeah. At least you need to figure out if it works or not, and then figure out change.
Yeah, of course. And yeah,
I mean,
so
there are few cases like let's say for
yeah,
example, if using Postgres database, you have some JSON operations like JSON B column is there. You
yeah,
have some extra very fast querying for the JSON columns, but MySQL doesn't support that. So like when you change from MySQL to Postgres and you want to leverage that JSON B columns potential or JSON columns potential, then you need to change the code. So at that time, you
yeah.
have to change anyways.
You seen one thing.
Mm-hmm.
This is scope, right?
Hmm.
Which is with a prefix of scope. Still, I
Oh,
can have auto completion and click click to
click.
go to that function.
That extension is
Which
working.
is from, huh?
Your extension
Which,
is working now.
yeah, which is provided by this PHP function.
Okay,
So shout out to
that's
them. They are
uh-huh.
doing. I mean, they are giving free many things for free, right? You know, they just
Ni-
give. PHP storm filling in.
in VS Code.
Yeah, with Laravel idea plugin.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah,
Manoj is asking about query pattern versus repository pattern.
yeah. So yeah, we are doing similar thing, I guess. So uh, we can see the difference though. This
Mm-hmm.
is the difference, and I guess we can do where key, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and maybe similar thing. Does that? Yeah, is array. So that also. So this is the difference. I don't know
Mm-hmm.
which is good.
It depends on the user preference, to be honest. The people who are more experienced and they have a lot of old years experience, uh, they are habitual to use that repository pattern. I am not.
Yeah,
I don't like it.
yeah.
So
Of
it's
course, for sure. Can we have streaming on API based practices in future? Yeah,
sure.
sure. We can have. If you have expertise, you can come as well and show us something, right? We can also invite some of um, Steve. So he's a API guy. He call him API guy as well. So
Mhm.
we can invite him. Maybe I will discuss with him
Mhm.
and he will show us a bit. Okay. By the way, I don't know. I like this, to be honest, because it comes with Laravel, right? I don't need to create extra classes at all, right?
Mhm.
But right now I have this PHP extension installed, or maybe I'm using something like, so that's why I have auto completion and even like this click to stuff. Of course, I don't have this reference back stuff because I cannot go back actually.
Mhm.
Maybe this can be feature request or bug, but right now it is. Let me check if okay, I have one more
Oh,
thing though.
okay, after this scope, what are we going to discuss?
Yeah, there is few thing we can discuss though. But before that, I want to say one thing, right? Published article, and if I had one more thing, I cannot. Change stuff here, right? That it should be it should be what published before or something like that. Should I published before kind of I can change this, or I will have a single method only which return data.
You can change, but then in the repository, you need to return a builder instead of.
Yeah, and that is not a general case, right?
Yeah, that is not a general case. When you
Yeah,
want to actually do it, then you can return a builder instead of a model
yeah,
or a section.
yeah.
Hmm.
Even so, but I can do here, right? Like
Hmm. Yeah.
published, maybe where where published at or something like that, right?
Hmm.
This is also I think yeah, this is valid method,
Yeah, this is valid.
Yeah, because Laravel magically detects it. Like with if you put any column name after where, it will automatically detect it.
Yeah, this is true. Yeah,
Mm.
it is very old thing. So
Yeah,
it's
of course.
something. Hmm.
Mm. So, but I don't think it is a good practice or not. But yeah, I am saying just you can also add some extra conditions while calling some scopes, or maybe multiple scopes in a chain, right? So that is a good
Yeah.
thing, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. But somehow people say about this is magic, right? Because it's not in a query builder actually, right? Laravel need to guess it. So what Laravel does is when like you already showed us some stuff where you were saying about call static,
Mm-hmm.
forwarding call and all, right? Call.
Yeah.
So if there is no method, they just check. about for scope and all,
Yeah.
right?
There
Like
is.
is scope method with attribute, something like this. You know what I mean?
Mhm.
This is check like there is scope or not and all. So they feel it is magic, right?
Mhm.
So there is one more thing which is we can do if you don't want to do that. Do this, right? There is two things actually. If you don't like such magic, so first
Mm.
is tappable scopes, right? Tappable scopes
Okay.
where you can have like this tap method. Oh, sorry, tap method, right? And you can just say new, uh, like post, uh, post, published, uh, list article scope, right?
Mhm.
We don't have it, so we need to create it actually. Pa make. Sorry, I'm just doing class and let's say scopes and this, right? And it will
Mhm.
create some class, and I think you can have invoke over here,
Mhm.
builder, not query builder. Let's go with the contract again. So it can be used with normal query builder and eloquent both, right? And I just don't remember we need to return the builder. Yeah, we need to return the builder. And yeah, this, and let's just be good with this.
Mhm.
Isn't it? There is a shortcut for this. I think this one. Yeah, I found the shortcut. So yeah, you can do this, right?
Mhm.
I'm just confused with invoke, but I'm sure that this will be this, right? And let's just import it. So you can do this as well, and this will gonna work as well. Do you wanna see? Let's see.
Yeah, I want to. I'm curious now. I want to see it. Can
Right?
you can you comment that DD?
Which one?
Just line number 31. Just comment that so that we will see the output of below
Oh,
lines.
that's it.
That is it correct? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. You're reading both the things. Okay.
No, not the both thing. I just commented one.
Now you
So we are
commented now.
getting the article, right?
Published. Can we cross check if it is really published?
Yeah,
Uh,
published article.
okay. Just
We
change. Just go to that class and change that values to instead of published to some other thing and then run that.
uh, I doubt we will have. Uh, but let's see. We are not getting anything at all now.
Okay. Just go to that article scope again and then comment
Mm.
that one condition.
Which condition?
Maybe article condition. I want to see what is in draft. Okay.
Oh,
Just comment the article stuff because article is already we know that there is a published one, right? So
but
um,
they may. I mean,
uh,
I moved terminal to yeah here, right? I just forgot that.
okay,
Yeah. So we have actually
okay.
yeah draft, but
Hmm.
it is tutorial.
Yeah, that is fine because we commented that type check, right?
Yeah, we also have one more tutorial, draft tutorial. So we have two draft
Two
tutorials.
both draft. Okay,
Yeah,
with the draft status. Okay.
yeah, and this is working. So this is
Mm-hmm.
also good thing where you just get auto completion and all, right? Because you're just calling tab method, which is by default come with query builder.
Like tab comes with a lot of the classes already. Can you go to post published article scope again?
Again, yeah.
That return type builder is BU. That is spelling mistake. It's still
I'm on Windows, so that will be fine.
Oh, okay. I
In
was confused.
Windows, you can just do whatever. Spelling should be correct on Windows.
Okay.
On
Okay.
Windows, spelling should be correct actually, and that's a
Okay.
bad thing though. But yeah,
Can we run it just for surety once?
again, you mean?
Again, just the PA test.
Uh, Let me just pin this and let me just close others. So, and let me just clear it again and PAT. Yeah, we are not getting anything at all now. And why?
Because we
It's a
uncomment.
draft. No, it's a draft. So let's say published, and we will get one, exactly one.
Hmm.
Uh, yeah. So it is
Okay.
working. So this is the third way of
Hmm.
managing your queries, right?
o- Okay.
Yeah. So basically now you have one class, right? Oh,
Mm-hmm.
again, one more thing we can do, maybe like so basically we have now this space empty. Space is empty, right? So we
Mm-hmm.
can just cut this out. We can remove it. We can put here. We can have constructor over here.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, Public constructor, right? I'm just uh, yeah, this one, right?
Mm-hmm.
And what we can do is we can do when id is there. Just do this, right? Simply. So we can also have uh, like we can also do same thing for sure into the this one as well. We can just have this, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right.
Yeah,
So
yeah. We can
I
also
mean I was just want to show that you can do exactly whatever you used to do with your scopes.
Mm-hmm.
I mean basic scopes. So you can just have tappable scopes like this, right? Simply. And yeah, now
Okay.
mm,
This
this
is
is now
this is
simple.
something new. I will tell you some story about this.
Uh-huh.
Uh, it is not something which is used. I mean, in Laravel, the tappable classes or something. I don't know if it is a concept, but tap is the function where we pass some value. It will operate on that,
Yeah.
and then it will return the whatever we have passed as an instance. Instance will be returned.
Ah, yeah. So
So it
maybe,
is
of course, it
it is
returns this, right?
yeah.
But I don't know if I don't know if it is like passed by value. Oh, so you do you
No, no, no. The builder itself is passed by reference. So in everywhere it is changed. Yeah, even if you don't return, it should work.
Oh, yeah. Let's do it. Actually,
Let's try.
it is working.
You see?
I hope it is
So
working. Yeah, it is working.
it is working because it is not something with Laravel. It is not something which Laravel is saying. It is something which Laravel already had for many years, like
Yeah,
from 5.4 or 3 or that tab function is there. Someone found a new way to implement this stuff using invocable classes. This is nice.
yeah,
This is very interesting. This is very interesting to.
yeah. Even I used to do this. I literally
Yeah.
used to do this. Dollar post tap like that update thing. You know.
Yeah, yeah. This is nice. This is very nice thing you taught me today. This is very nice thing because I knew the concepts, I knew the things, I knew the tap, but combining all of this together in this way, this fashion, it's interesting. Nice.
Yeah, we used to do this, right? We used to do this.
Mhm. Yeah, yeah. So again, we will have the same post but updated status.
Yeah.
Okay. Hmm.
This is actually nice. So
This is nice. Yeah, this is something new, refreshing. Okay.
okay.
Tappable
Yeah.
scopes.
So this is the tappable scope, right?
Now,
You can
now,
have
now,
just
now there is also one thing like whichever in Laravel is passed by reference and it is getting resolved from the container, we can use tap everywhere.
yeah.
Yeah, you can imagine, right? So in the container, if everything is passed by reference, let's say there is a builder class which is passed by reference, so we can use a tap function, we can update the value and we will get the same instance. Similarly, we can do for anything. This
Yeah.
is this is really refreshing. I loved it. This is
Okay.
nice.
Now we can maybe move ahead.
Okay. Yeah.
So maybe I want to create a builder
Mm-hmm.
now. So let's say PA make class again,
Custom builder. Okay.
builders. Do you want to keep it in the models or uh, I think builders is uh,
It's yeah. I mean, there will
post.
be always only one class with the builder. So,
Yeah.
but yeah, it's fine. It's fine.
So post builder, right? And I literally just let's have this one for now.
Okay.
And now let's go to the post model, right?
Mm-hmm.
And what we can do here is what we can do here is uh, protected new. Oh, I love AI when it does this for me. But I
Okay.
am just not sure about.
It must be public. It says.
Oh yeah, public.
Hmm.
And what issue with this?
The
Oh, okay. I just think that should it extend
extend
the
that
builder?
builder, right? Hmm.
Yeah, extends Eloquent Builder. Yeah,
Hmm.
that was actually missing, and now it's like not showing any errors.
Okay.
There is one issue which I face with the
Hmm.
PHP stand,
Hmm.
which is I cannot. Oh no, with the type coverage,
Mm-hmm.
I cannot define a builder over here because it's not in a parent method.
Ah, okay.
Yeah,
Ah, okay.
so
You don't have any type int. Okay.
yeah, so I need to
Hmm.
do like paste ignore
Hmm.
type
Type. Okay.
always when I action the builders.
Mm-hmm. Okay. This is
Yeah.
actually we used it to support multiple different things, right?
Yeah,
It can. Hmm.
could be.
No, no.
But
You go to builder method, you will see there.
what?
If you go
Sorry.
to new builder method inside that,
Oh, here.
just go inside the uh, that implementation. You will see it is.
Cannot do because it is overrided.
Can you go to base model and then just search for new eloquent?
Found it.
Okay. So you see here because it is resolving from the custom builder and then it is checking the if it is a subclass of builder.
No, but we overrided it.
Now you have overridden it, but the signature
Uh,
is still same, right? If you change
oh
the
yeah, got
it
it.
will be treated
Got
as
it.
a
Got it.
new method.
Mm,
It will be
got it.
treated
Got
as
it.
a new method.
Got it. But now it is like it is. So it is now custom builder.
Hmm.
And we can just run pint, and I think input will be there. Whoa. Oh, I don't have pint rules in my this. So yeah, now we can just copy this, right?
Hmm.
And just go to the post builder, then paste it. But now
Mm-hmm.
we don't need this one, right? And we actually need to return a builder, and even I think self, or I don't know. I'm not
Yeah.
sure right now, really.
Yeah. If you want to return a
So we
builder, you
need
can.
to remove this p,
Hmm.
at least I guess,
Hmm.
and we don't need this. Yeah, we don't need this. We do this self. Yeah, I'm just now getting stuff. This, yeah, this self. Oh, I love AI when it does this for me, literally. Because you know things, but you just forgot things sometimes.
Yeah.
And so, yeah, uh, yeah, let's keep it.
Mm-hmm.
Where is the contract? Yeah. So, this is. So, and I think this all method should be public, I guess, but protected is not. This okay. This is formatted now, and maybe now we can go here, and we don't even need to touch this because we are now using custom builders,
Mm-hmm.
right? Uh,
Can we comment that or remove that just for surety from the
yeah,
model?
sure. Of course, we should do that, I guess.
Mm.
And right, so we now committed the scopes,
Mm.
uh, and where it we were, yeah, here, here. We can just close this. Scope is not needed. Yeah, here. And now we can do some control Z maybe. We had some, yeah, this one, right?
Mm.
And we can just close, do this, right? And this will take us to our post builder, right?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
One thing you need to do for sure though, right now we are using some extensions, that's why it is not doing any problem, but yeah, you should, no, you shouldn't do that. Even this, you should just do build a query, yeah, just query stuff, right? So at least your model query will is returning post builder, that is,
Mm.
uh, uh, if you are not using like some advanced extensions, it will
Mm-hmm.
understand like it is returning, the query is returning post builder. So
Post
after that
builder.
you will gonna have auto
Or
completions.
yeah.
Yeah, so basically now this is just, this will just work,
Mm.
I hope. So yeah, it is working, right?
Okay.
So this is
Okay.
the, this is one more way, right?
Mm-hmm.
And it is already commented, right? Let's see, what if we uncomment this? Is it throwing error or something like that? Or we will also gonna see, right now it is just doing the thing, but what we're gonna do is,
Just add
we're gonna
or
change it to draft, right? So we can know like, yeah, so it is giving priority to post builder. And
yeah.
I think I have one more idea, which is,
Mm-hmm.
let's go here and comment this one, right?
Mm.
Now it will give oh my gosh.
No, it is still giving published one.
Yeah, but why? That is the question. I done this draft, right?
Can you comment, save that file or something like maybe?
Everything is saved. This published
Oh,
article is
wait,
now,
wait, wait, wait. No, no, it is pulling from the repository. Can you
yeah, we
comment that?
fucked up.
Yeah, just comment that line. Yeah, now it should be okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
So we need to start it from start actually.
Ah, we need to do it from start.
Uh, yeah. Now it's giving error.
Ah, and
So a call to undefined method publish article. That is good. We got error
published article.
because,
The name
is
key
it
is correct.
public? I knew that. I knew
Oh,
that.
it needs to be public. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay. Now it is working. Finally,
Ah,
right?
okay. Now we can change
Maybe
that
we can also, we can
stuff.
no. So what I now understand is,
Hmm.
we haven't tested the scopes properly.
Hmm.
So let's just, for a sake, let's taste that. I Oh, and it is working, right?
Hmm. Yeah.
So now we, what we're gonna do is, we will have this. We
Hmm.
have this as well. Let's just check. Yeah, it is working, right?
Hmm.
Now the thing we're gonna do is, we're gonna do draft here
Hmm.
to check which will be prioritized.
Hmm.
And of course, the builder one is prioritized because it exists, right? And now, what if I comment this?
Mm.
It's giving empty array. So it, when your post builder does not have that method, and you have a scope into your model, it will
Mm-hmm.
give, it will fall back to that scope.
Can you do DD here?
Here,
Mm.
yeah, it will surely gonna work.
Yeah, yeah,
One,
but
two, three.
just to sure, just to be sure.
Yeah, of course. We are here to do that.
Yep.
Like,
Okay,
but
so
you know,
so
this is
so
going
builder,
interesting.
custom
Yeah,
builder is
yeah,
taking priority, but if it doesn't have any method, then it will go to a default model.
yeah. Default one, default one.
Okay.
Yeah. So we can just remove DD from here.
Hmm.
Maybe. Okay. So what next?
Do you know why it works?
Because we are extending.
Yes.
Because we are extending the builder class.
Yes, and that builder has that static method where we check the
Yeah,
scope
call
not.
static. Yeah,
So,
I knew that.
okay.
But yeah, this is nice.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, can we do this? I don't know. Of course, we can do this. Why should we need to do be explicit about that?
Mm.
This is also fine, right?
Yeah.
Paste it. Yeah, it works.
Mm. Previously as well,
Uh,
it same.
hmm?
Previously as well, it was same, right? It is just returning the builder instance.
Yeah,
That's it.
of course. But
Mm.
yeah, I mean, I don't know. This looks nice, baby. Actually, this looks nice, I guess, because I don't
I
know.
don't know.
Sometimes,
I don't like this, but it's a personal stuff. Yeah.
yeah, of course. So yeah, so this was about custom builders,
Mm-hmm.
right? Do you want to go for next one?
What is the next one?
Query classes?
Ah, oh, the last one, right? Query
Yeah,
classes.
maybe
Ah,
last one. I don't know if someone have any other thing. So just tell us in the comments. If you have an article, we can just go to that article and see whatever it is.
yeah, yeah, sure, sure.
Uh,
Let's
hmm,
query classes. What was
what?
that? Query. What did you say? Query what?
Query classes. Query
Query.
classes.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah. Let me show you in, like, let's just create thing. So in
Oh.
query classes,
Mm-hmm.
you follow one rule where you don't create scopes, you don't create. I don't know. I have seen that rule following with the query classes. So if it is a rule or not, I don't know. I have seen that.
Mm-hmm.
So basically, you create a classes in a queries folder, right, which returns the builder, right,
Mm-hmm.
and you don't do such thing, right? You don't even do these things, and you don't even do these things, right?
Okay.
And no, not even repositories and all, right?
A
So
repository
let's
anyway. Hmm.
yeah, make class,
Hmm.
right? Uh, queries, queries, queries. Is it correct?
Ah,
I
yes,
just
correct.
yeah. Then we can say like published. Sorry, published article query, right?
Publish article query. Okay.
Yeah,
Interesting name.
and here
Hmm.
we say not execute, not like that. Public function not invoke. It will be, I guess, builder.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, it's let again go with contract one, and it will say post. Right now, we have this, but where type is article publish, and we
Mm-hmm.
will have written over here.
We
right?
have a builder method, okay, and then we return a builder from there, okay.
Yeah, and it can be, I mean, complex query, not for such small cases maybe,
Uh-huh.
but it can be like this, right? And you can have constructor or something like that if you need it. If you need some like, let's go with constructor as well, right? IDs, and you can have like same thing,
Mm.
right?
Okay.
And it is mixed. That's why maybe, yeah, array.
Mm.
Maybe it can be integer as well. So I don't know. I don't. Yeah, that is not the thing, right? So you can have the this, right?
Mm.
And you can just do. Uh, so you can even inject it, right? If you want, you can just inject it, right?
Mm.
Query. Yeah, and you can say just builder and get. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Same thing. And you can just this use this
Build-
query wherever you want, and you can also taste this in isolated way as well, you know.
Mm-hmm.
So basically this, and maybe I just got that idea, that
So I mean,
yeah, this is it.
I want to ask you one thing. Like, let's say
Hmm.
I have in one single project, I will have, let's say, 100 different queries, right? So do I have to create classes for each query or something like that, like for this pattern to follow? Uh,
Yeah,
how I should do, like in your
so
case?
mostly for the complex queries, right, you
Only for the
create
complex
these
ones.
query classes. Hmm?
Mm-hmm. Only for the complex ones.
Yeah, but I mean, for such small thing, you can just write it away. I mean, on a controller, if you are using this. So we did this. This is not, I mean, big thing. So
Mm-hmm.
if you see like a Pinkery source code,
Mm-hmm.
you will see these query classes.
Okay. Can you zoom in a little bit? It's very small.
Of course, I was gonna do this.
Mm.
I done it wrong place. Uh, so
Mm.
app,
Mm-hmm.
then queries. You will
Mm.
have feed queries, extra queries, like some extra folders. So this is the following feed, right?
Mm-hmm.
So where you have like builder, you have constructor where user is there. So you will have a like following feed for user. So you have
Mm.
just like this full query, but it will just return builder. So you can
Mm.
taste it in isolate mode as well,
Mm-hmm.
and yeah, there is some duplication as well for sure. But this is it. So you can have like this recent question query. So this all
Mm-hmm.
thing is duplicated for sure, but the query itself is not will getting duplicate, you know. So if you want to use same thing in a your API, you can just use this query class.
Mm-hmm. And then we can get the models or collection, and
Yeah,
then.
and you actually want to return JSON stuff at there, right? Maybe you don't want to do paginet at there, or
Mm.
maybe you have some different way of doing pagination there,
Mm-hmm.
and you have like in a web you have different way of doing pagination. So you can just
Mm.
utilize this query and do whatever stuff you want later, right?
Yeah. Okay.
So this is thing I learned when I was working on pinkry.com.
Okay.
Yeah, we also use this at other places as well where it was required. Yeah,
Can we check
I
controller
can.
or something like where it is used
Oh
in
yeah,
Pinky,
we can do.
Pinky project?
I in liveware classes, I guess.
Okay.
So enough. No, not this, not this, not this. In
Mm-hmm.
a home, and we will have a question following and new user builder simple page in it.
Mm. Okay.
So this is also thing people are using right now currently, because like people influenced by Nuno, and Nuno is also using this. So
Mm-hmm.
people are also using this.
Okay.
This is
Okay.
like way of I mean, just don't do same thing for at multiple places or something like that. I
Mm.
still uh,
Just
don't
dry out. Do
know.
not repeat yourself. That's what you're
Yeah,
saying.
just for try. But yeah, I
Mm.
mean, when you don't want to fat your controllers or something like that, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm. So okay, this was the last way which I know, and
Mm-hmm.
if I knew something and I forgot, I don't know. Literally. I mean, I showed you
And
five
for
ways,
today,
right?
for today we have covered a lot. We covered repository, we covered the
Yeah.
tappable custom builder, and this one as well, query
Yeah.
classes. A
Yes.
lot of stuff we have discussed. Mm.
Yeah, but I think the best thing was tappable scopes.
Yeah, that was enlightening because it is not a new feature.
Yeah.
Okay, well, it is not a new feature. It is something which existed from Laravel 5.43. I don't know how old, but it was existing. And
Yeah.
some smart guy came with the idea that okay, I will use it like this because builders are passed by reference. It is very nice. It is very nice.
This is, I mean, craziest thing, because you can like you can use this scope at multiple models as well. You know
I mean, how
how? I mean, you are you don't define
the
anything
query?
over here.
Ah, okay. Here you're saying, yeah, yeah, okay.
Yeah, I mean, this is the published post article scope,
Uh-huh.
but if you had like published scope, right, where your all models will have this
Same kind of columns, and then I can reuse this.
right,
That
right, so you can
true,
just
true.
use in your different models, right?
Yes, correct, correct. It can be reused.
And one more thing, I recently used this tappable scope
Hmm.
when I wanted to drive myself, and I wanted to utilize one scope which is in exists in a model,
Hmm.
right, to my mm, uh, the type sense thing, which is uh, the where we use Algolia in Laravel in a what, like for
It is
a
used
full
for
text
searching.
search.
Ah,
I
it is for
mean,
search.
what package we use, first party package. I just
Scout.
Scout.
Hmm.
Yeah. So Scout creates their own builders, right?
Hmm. Hmm.
And it will not detect scopes from your model, right? Even if you are calling search on, I mean, when you call search, right, on your model, your builder will be the search will return builder from Algolia, or maybe
Mm-hmm.
TypeSense, or maybe like from Scout, right,
Hmm.
which will not able to detect scopes from your model, because it is generic, right?
Hmm.
So at that
Mm-hmm.
place I use this tappable scope, so I can utilize same line of code multiple at multiple places, right? You know,
Hmm.
and
And then
this was the like, yeah,
you can still add where clause and all the stuff, all
yeah,
the other
whatever,
stuff.
I mean.
Yeah, yeah. That is
Because
nice. That is nice way to
yeah,
think.
that was my, I mean, the best use case of tappable scope I used till date.
Okay. I
Yeah.
will figure out I will figure out a nice use case to use that. Maybe I'll because now I like let's say you like sometimes what happens is you might be having a problem but you don't know the solution. Now I
Yeah,
know there is one
the
solution.
solution.
Maybe I
Yeah.
will figure out what problem
So
it can
now,
solve.
so now you have solution looking for a problem.
Problem. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but
Correct.
that is the case, I mean, if you have a bike, right, if you don't have a bike, you will not go out, or maybe something for the things you may wanted to do, right, because you don't have a bike. But you, when once you buy a bike, you will get to start getting thoughts like, I want to go there, I want to go there, because I have a
Yeah.
bike, now I can go there.
Mm.
Kind of, I mean.
Yeah,
So
true.
yeah, so I think this is what it is for. So we seen this. Uh, Let me quite go somewhere in history
There are few comments. Maybe you want
and
to answer
grab
them.
this.
Punyapal.
Sorry.
There are few comments. Maybe you want to answer them.
Oh yeah.
Hmm.
So just I just wanted to keep everything at one place before we jump into. I mean, yeah.
Oh.
Uh, of course. Mm. Builder,
Which business
custom builder, and
customer and
oops. Just to be exactly clear, I mean. Yeah.
hmm.
So someone is saying, yes, I had also used this in one of my projects. Yeah, that's fine. Do you guys still use AI when developing a website? Do you guys still use AI? I mean, it is. I mean, still don't use. That will be the correct question. I don't know. I mean, how do you see this question? I mean, do you still use AI when you developing a website? I mean, is there any reason for not to use AI?
Not using. Yeah.
Uh, I don't know. We started using a lot. I mean, my fully everything goes to like, oh, I was at wrong place. Yeah, everything goes here
Hmm.
before it comes to me in my agent's prompt. And if
Okay.
AI is not able to do better, then I look into it.
Hmm.
And of course, you need a better tooling, better taste,
Pro-
better guidelines when you want to do fully vibe coding, right?
hmm.
Because what I do, I just ask my AI to run rector, print, and all PHP stand, taste, type coverage, taste coverage, everything, right? So I know like AI will generate good code, but yeah, of course you need to review at the end.
You need to review because there was a case where some test case was failing and it removed that test case just to make test cases pass.
Yes, skip the test when that does not pass.
Not even skip, it deleted the code. That test case itself, it was deleted.
Yeah, that is a problem in prompt though. You need to
No,
you need
no,
to ask. See,
I use
if
most,
you yeah, if
I
you
use,
ask AI to make
I,
test pass,
hmm?
it will do pass them.
It was shitty model. I used Gemini and I
Hmm.
used Laravel Boost. Boost
That
works.
actually, yeah, yeah,
Laravel Boost works nicely with Cloud Code, which I'm
yeah,
using now. I use
of
Claude
course,
everywhere. Yeah, so it's good. Claude is good. Claude is best.
yeah. So basically, what I'm saying is, Gemini actually removes a lot of code or change the way of you write the code, right? Somehow,
It deleted my
yeah.
sandbox database once. And I stopped from that moment. I never used Gemini CLI. Even
how
though I
how
have
it got
even though
access to that?
I have .env in the project, right? So I use the sandbox credentials to test stuff.
Yeah, sometimes
So
we do. Of
yeah,
course. I also used to do that. Like I had ENV with local database and both. I just uncomment and comment things when I want
exactly.
to
That's what I
do
do.
the
That's
staging.
what I do. Yeah, that's what I do.
Yeah. So I think this was
But,
nice. We
hmm.
seen the repository pattern. Then we see the scopes. Oh, scopes, right? This is the old way. This is the new way. Then we seen the custom builders.
Mm-hmm.
Same thing, but bit better for sure. You can also extend some uh, base builder, right? You can create a base builder and extend base builder with your post builder, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And we also seen this tappable scope, which is greatest all time. And then we see this query
Greatest
classes.
discovery of today.
Yeah.
Greatest discovery of
Uh,
today.
yeah. maybe like I know one thing. I will gonna create some section, some sort of what is it, what you can say, part of 5 to 10 minutes of part where we discuss tappable scope and will publish separately.
Yeah, that would be nice. Do any
Do
plans
you
to
have
do
any
that?
plans for doing a project code review series? Hmm.
Mm.
We can do that. uh, and we will have Bhushan with us for sure, right, to do that.
We can,
So
we can.
of course, but let me just see. He's from YouTube. Yeah. So maybe you can share your projects to us, and later we can check if and maybe review them on a stream, right?
Mm.
If you want, I can create some form and all to do that, or you can just reach out in Laravel Artisan community. I can create one channel, review my code, kind of, if you want.
Mhm.
Let's see how we can do, how we can help with that. But yeah, we can do that. I also done once, I guess. I don't even remember, but I think I have done once. I don't know.
Mm.
Okay, so that's it for today.
Yep, it's already late now. That's it for
Yeah.
today.
Do you want to share anything?
No, it was a fun stream.
Yeah.
It reminded me of the older things, and yet it showed me the new things as well. So it's all connected. It's
Yeah.
good stream. It's very good stream.
Yeah. Thanks for joining, guys. Bye bye. See ya.